Hey there, wonderful people. You know that annoying feeling you get when mucus seems to drip down the back of your throat? It's called post-nasal drip, and boy, can it ruin a perfectly good day. But here's the good news. You can totally get rid of it yourself, at home, and I'm going to show you how. Sound good? Let's dive right in. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The first thing you can do is grab a humidifier. It helps to add some much-needed moisture to the air, which, in turn, soothes your irritated nasal passages. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't live in a desert, do I need it? Here's the thing. Dry air is not only about geographical location. Sometimes, our homes can become dry due to air conditioning or heating. And a study by the University of Wisconsin School of Medicine and Public Health back in 2013 showed that humidifiers can really help with symptoms of post-nasal drip. Next, let's talk about a saline nasal spray. This works by thinning out the mucus, making it easier for your body to get rid of it. Imagine it like this. It's easier to wash honey off a spoon when you add a bit of warm water to it, right? It's the same with a saline spray and mucus. This is backed by research from the Cochrane database of systematic reviews from 2018, where they found that saline irrigation was effective in treating chronic rhinosinusitis, which includes symptoms of post-nasal drip. Hydration is key, folks. When your body is well hydrated, it can more easily thin out the mucus, similar to the saline spray we just talked about. You should aim for the recommended 8 glasses of water a day. And while we're talking about fluids, warm beverages like tea can also soothe your throat. In fact, a research published in the Archives of Internal Medicine in 2009 showed that hydration could help with upper respiratory tract infections. Now here's a fun tip. Eat spicy foods. Yes, you heard it right. Spicy foods can help break down and thin out the mucus. Next time you're feeling that drip, consider reaching out for some jalapenos or a spicy curry. Now, there's a reason why many cultures around the world use spicy ingredients in their traditional cold remedies. A study in 2011 from the Journal of Translational Medicine found that capsaicin, the compound that gives chili peppers their heat, can help with nasal inflammation. And that's it, folks. Simple, right? Now you've got the power to fight post-nasal drip right at your fingertips. If you found this video helpful, show us some love by hitting that subscribe button, sharing it with your friends and family who might also need it, and leaving a comment to let us know what worked for you or if you have any other tips. Remember, everybody is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. So try out these methods and see which ones work best for you. With a little patience and persistence, you will get there. And remember, you've got this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.